Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters related to body parts. Today, we will explore this character. It's a character with multiple pronunciations, most commonly fa and fa. In Oracle bone script, the earliest form of this character looked like a bow and arrow. In bronze inscriptions, the character evolved further. The right hand part added an element suggesting a hand holding a tool, emphasizing the meaning of shooting an arrow with a bow. Later, as the writing system evolved, it split into two traditional forms, fa and fa. Later, in China's 1956 Scheme for Simplifying Chinese Characters, both traditional forms were merged and simplified into the single character that we use today. In simplified Chinese, this character can represent the meanings of both original characters.
When it's pronounced fa, it often refers to an action, like to send or to issue. When it's pronounced fa, it refers to hair. So you usually tell which one it is from context.
出发 means set off and depart.
发动 means start or launch a machine or an activity. Here, fa means to start or to begin an action. 发芽 means sprout. 发电 means generate electricity. Here, fa means to produce or to grow. 发送 means send a message or information. 发工资 means pay wages or salary. Here, fa means to send out or to deliver. 发射 means launch an arrow, bullet, or rocket. 发光 means give off light or glow. Here, fa means to shoot out or to emit. 发现 means discover, notice. 发怒 means get angry. Here, fa means to show, reveal, or to feel and express. When it's pronounced fa, 脱发 means hair loss. 理发 means get a haircut. Here, fa refers to hair. Now let's practice reading it. Fa, 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 fa. The character tha is a single component character with 5 strokes. The stroke order is left falling turning stroke, left falling stroke, horizontal then left falling stroke, right falling stroke, and dot. Now let's see how to write it. First, start in the upper left area of the grid and write a left falling turning stroke. Next, start from around the middle of the grid and write a left falling stroke, slanting down to the left. Then, to the right of that stroke, write a horizontal, then left falling stroke. After that, starting from the same starting point, write a right falling stroke. Finally, go back to the right side of the first stroke and add a dot. And that completes the character fa. Just like 耳朵, 舌头, and 牙齿. In everyday modern Chinese, we rarely use fa by itself to mean hair. Most of the time, people say 头发 instead. During the Chinese New Year, one of the most common greetings you'll hear is 恭喜发财. 恭喜 means congratulations. 发财 means to make a fortune or to become wealthy. Put together, it literally means congratulations on getting rich. It's a direct and enthusiastic way to wish someone more wealth, a better financial situation, and a prosperous life in the new year. So if you celebrate the Spring Festival in China, you can say 恭喜发财 to send your best wishes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.